In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the sum of numbers in Notion. Simple and easy for beginners. If you're new to Notion or just getting comfortable with databases, this will help you quickly total things like expenses, scores, or any numeric values in your tables without any formulas. First, open Notion and head to the page that contains your table. If you don't have one yet, you can create it right on the page. Type /table and choose Table to add a simple database. This gives you a clean grid where each row is an item and each column holds a specific type of information. Next, make sure you have a number column. This is important because only number columns can be totaled. Common examples would be columns named Amount, Price, or Score. If you've entered values like 10, 20, or 35.5, they should live in a column that's set to the number type, so Notion knows they're numeric and can calculate with them. Things like currency and percentages still count as numbers in Notion, so those work as well. Now click the column title at the top of your number column. This opens the column menu, which is where you control how the column behaves. Think of this menu as your control panel for sorting, formatting, and calculating. At the bottom of that menu, look for the Calculate option. Click it, and then select Sum from the list. The Calculate menu includes other choices like Average and Minimum, but for a total, Sum is exactly what you need. If you ever pick the wrong one by accident, just open the same menu again and switch it back to Sum. Once you choose Sum, Notion will automatically display the total of all the numbers in that column at the bottom. You'll see it appear in the footer of the column, and it updates instantly whenever you add, edit, or remove rows. If your table is long, just scroll to the bottom of the view to see the total. This total respects any filters or sorts you've applied, so if you've filtered the table to show only certain rows, the sum will reflect just those visible entries. That's all there is to it. You open your table, make sure your numbers are in a number column, click the column title, choose Calculate, and select Sum. From there, Notion does the math for you, and that's how you calculate the sum in Notion quickly. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.